Shirataki noodles made with yam root are low in carbs and are almost calories-free. Enjoy a bowl of shirataki noodles with bok choy and shrimp for only 161 calories. Cut open your package of shirataki noodles and pour noodles and liquid into a strainer to drain off the liquid. Separate the noodles a little to release excess liquid. Cut the top off your bag of shrimp and fill with cold water to thaw your shrimp. Once your shrimp has thawed, pour your shrimp into a strainer to drain the liquid. Empty your bag of bok choy into a large bowl. Cover with water. Swish in the soaking water to release sand and dirt and remove from the water. Cut off the stem end and collect your washed and cut bok choy into a large bowl. Peel your carrot, cut off the ends, and cut in half crosswise. Cut each half in half lengthwise, then cut into thin slices. Then cut your thin carrot slices into matchsticks. Your carrot matchsticks to the bowl of bok choy. Cut the stem end off your green onions, slice in half lengthwise, and angle cut into slivers. Add your green onion slivers to your bok choy bowl. Grate your ginger root and transfer to a fine wire mesh strainer over a small bowl. Press your shredded ginger root to release the juice. Pour 2 tablespoons of ginger root juice into a small mixing bowl. Add your rice vinegar, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, chili sauce, and stir. Add your oyster flavored sauce and mix well. In a large wok, in a teaspoon of oil over medium heat, gently saute your minced garlic for about a minute until fragrant. Add your thawed and drained shrimp and saute until pink on both sides. Pour your shirataki noodles into the wok and move your noodles about to release excess liquid. Pour your sauce mixture over your wok ingredients. Add your vegetable bowl and toss together, folding in the sauce to coat everything. Cover with a lid, turn off your heat, and allow your wok ingredients to stand for about 5 minutes. Add your cilantro and mix well. Now you're ready to serve. And here is your bowl of under 300 calories. Shirataki noodles with bok choy and shrimp. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.